What's up, RCNUTS? We're here. We're gonna do a build. I got my buddy Reno here.
Hey, how's it going?
What's up? We're gonna do this. Here's his big, huge, gigantic freaking Rampage. Look at this thing. Oh, sick, dude. Yeah. Oh,
Dirty.
oh, they're gonna get it. Look at that. This thing is bad, dude. This thing is bad. And here's my EXB that we're gonna build. It's right here.
That's bad.
And we're excited to get going on this thing. We got everything set up in there. We're gonna go and install this, everything, build it right here, okay? All right. So guys, all the parts that we're using for this build, I have in a link down in the description of the other video for this car, the unboxing of the Kraton EXB full option roller, a couple of videos back. So check it out if you're interested in seeing all of these parts and the prices. Most of them are just links to where I got it, no affiliation. This motor mount system is really great. It slides in, holds very sturdy and straight so that all the gears mesh very well. I'm really impressed with it. Now, I always like to use a little bit of blue Loctite in some of these areas of high vibration, just to make sure nothing backs out.
You got a magnet? Is that your washer? Right on the drag line?
Dude, it is. It is. It's right there.
It's not magnetic. Alright. Play in operation.
Alright. Got the wires going underneath.
Alright.
So we're looking at this and having to run the servo wire. So we're bringing it down underneath everything, way down there. You can see it come out of the servo at the bottom there and go right underneath everything. And there's quite a bit of space there so it doesn't hit the shaft. And it's at the very bottom of that waterproof little housing, so other wires will hold it down. But it is down below that shaft. I don't really like that much, but that's the way we're doing it. So let me know in the comments what you think. All right, so approved? Approved. Let's do it. We're gonna leave it there. And this thing's coming together, guys. Okay guys, let's give this thing some life. Switch this thing on, see if we've got 6S. Let's hear if we hear it. 4, 5, 6. Yeah.
Done.
Heck yeah. Check our servo. Yep. That gas. Woo! Damn, guys. Woo! Man, look at that. Oh man. This thing's gonna be fun. So what we're just noticing, guys, when we're centering up the servo is that the way that it comes from the factory, the front wheels had crazy toe. Toe in, toe out. So right now what we did is we adjusted this front and got it so that it's pretty much going straight by adjusting this rod. And now you'll see that wheel over there is kind of going out. See, it's like turning outwards. So the top of this wheel is too far out this way. We need to bring it in this way. So that means the rod needs to extend further that way, which will push the front of this wheel in closer. So we're gonna do that now, and that's something important to know when you're setting up, so that when everything's set up and you're going straight, everything's straight. Servo, everything dialed in alignment, basically alignment for your RC car.
Yeah, real alignment for your RC.
Real alignments right here. All right, so we're gonna get ready, finish up this side, and then this thing is pretty much ready to rock. Oh, Lordy. Oh, yeah. Nice. Now the only thing left to do, finish this thing up and go rock it over some huge jumps.
Oh yeah.
landed.